Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is rate of ocean warming has doubled. Recently, a report from the EU monitor Copernicus has stated that the pace at which oceans are warming has almost doubled since 2005. It attributed the cause to human-caused climate change. The findings by the Copernicus Marine Service underscore the consequences of a warming planet on oceans, which cover 70% of Earth's surface and acts as a major regulator of the climate. Ocean warming has increased continuously since the 1960s but sharply accelerated in the years since 2005. Over the past 2 decades, the pace of warming has close to doubled from a long-term rate of 0.58 watts per meter square to 1.05 watts per meter square. Ocean warming can be seen as sentinel for global warming. The findings echo the IPCC, the expert panel of climate scientists mandated by the United Nations on the longer-term heating of the oceans because of humanity's release of planet-heating emissions. Since 1970, some 90% of excess heat trapped in the atmosphere due to the release of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases has been absorbed in the oceans, the IPCC says. Warmer oceans fuel storms, hurricanes, and other extreme weather by influencing global weather patterns and where rainfall lands. Ripple effect. In 2023, more than 20% of the world's oceans experienced at least one severe to extreme marine heat wave, events that have ripple effects for marine life and fisheries. Such heat waves can lead to the migration and mass mortality of certain species, harm fragile ecosystems, and interfere with the flow of deep and shallow waters, hindering the distribution of nutrients. Now it's time for the practice question. What percentage of excess heat trapped in the atmosphere has been absorbed by the oceans since 1970, according to the IPCC? 50%, 70%, 90%, or 30%? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.